Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Expedition. Stock number is 18F258A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you very safe in those close-quarter parking lot situations. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with general grabber tires. Taking a look inside at the leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera. Factory trailer hitch on the back as well. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Expedition on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.